everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So, finally got the close above the key level. We also put on the Gann levels drawn from this low to this high, right where we got the first cross. Projecting the next key levels up. Let's zoom in and see how they did. We got above this 64.45 level. Coming up just shy of the 64.84, pulling back, then running up. With next high, we projected 65.24. What did this get to? 60. I can't even see that number. 64.32. That can't be right. No, that was the low. 65.27. So we had 65.24, 65.27 is what it pulled up to. Now, if we can get a nice strong rotation back up, we got the rotation zone in our favor on the 4 hour. At this point with the pullback, we pulled back straight to the 8. We can raise this targets. Now you're looking at 65.77. I'd really be looking at about 6,600 still, even though this is 65.28, 66.10. You can keep something in this area. But that 6,600 level is going to be very key. If we pull back below the 8, which is about 64.15, very key to not really dip below this prior or close below this prior resistance becoming support and the rotation zone. So at this point, would not want to see a close below 63.70 because that means the rotation zone did not hold. No divergences at this point, nothing else negative on this little rally, but let's check in with where we look on the daily rotation zone. So daily rotation zone, that 21 right at that 6,600 level, so that's definitely key. So if you've been doing any buying or going to buy these rotations going up, you're still against the daily rotation zone. So it's not a fully green light. You know, it's cautious. You got to keep raising your stops and not put a lot at risk because we could still rotate back down. This would just be a normal correction on the daily. Until we get above the rotation zone with key closes, it's not all smooth sailing just yet. So keep moving up your stops. Get through the 6,600 area. I'd be watching about 67.50 to 67.75 next key area up on the daily. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum getting above this 200 level, key Gann level, poking up, stopping just about at the 50, then pulling back, poking to about 212. Enabling us to draw the next Gann levels up. So next cluster is 217.54 to about 218.31 and then 223.08. On a pullback, first level key support we'll be watching, if it pulls back, is about 195 to about 192. Don't want to close black below 192. You have all this resistance becoming support right where it's trading now. So we don't actually want to see that big a pullback if this is going to remain strong. First cross rotation zone. Nothing else really negative on the 4 hour. Let's check in on the daily. So you see here on the daily, let me zoom in. So we poked above the 8 and dropped back below. It's going to be interesting to see if we still close below. It would be better if it closed back above the 8 for the bullish case. And when I say better, I mean I'm talking most people are bullish on the cryptocurrencies or want to see them go up. So I'm just talking from that standpoint. And then you see the cluster here well within the rotation zone. So we can easily even push to 235, the 50% retracement, and still be in the downward sloping rotation zone. Other than that, just giving the new targets, what levels to watch for, and you don't want to see it pull back and especially close below that 4 hour rotation zone. That's really all we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.